All right, moms, guess what I just came up with for you? You get a raise. My homeschool village has changed. We have moved to school. For those of you who don't know yet, we are moving the platform from Mighty Networks to school. And let me show you why this means so much for you because up until now, we've done a 20% commission where you can share my homeschool village and you get 20% of what that person pays. And then you get it recurring for every month that they stay. Well, once you move over to school, where we are now hosting everything, you get 40%. Why? Because school has made it so stinking easy for you. Let me show you really, really fast exactly how it's done. Okay. First, you're going to come over here. You're going to join. Now, if you're already a member of my homeschool village, we've given you a link so that you have the access because you're already paying. Don't worry about it. If you have never joined my homeschool village, you can join right here. You can start at $10 a month and you can still share all three of our programs. Or depending, it doesn't matter which program you're a part of, you can still share commission for all three programs. So once you're in, you're going to end up here in the community inside my homeschool village. Here's how simple it is to share. You ready? Click members, click invite, click copy, click paste. You're done. Now, what they're going to do when you start doing this is they're going to have you come up here to your little face and you're going to have to go under affiliates and you're going to need to make sure that they have the right information on where to get your payouts. But right there, you can see how many people have come in, what your commission is. You can even share your commission for different school platforms if you want. Like you could literally go in here and become a part of a lot of different programs and make money. So this is just one way for moms to make money from home. So once you've moved over, my friends, make sure that you are getting in there so that you can be making an income for your families. What this will do, this will pay for your own My Homeschool Village membership. This will allow you to increase your income coming from home. All you have to do is share that link on your own social medias with your friends. Pass it around. No, this is not going to be some form of a pyramid, okay? It's just you and your friend and the two of you and however many you share, but you are allowed to share this anywhere, everywhere, and however much you want. Make as much money as you want. Bring them on in. Let's grow this community of homeschoolers. Let's create a team of women that are unstoppable.